Now you will learn what prevents you from earning in trading. I will share my experience and the experience of our students, which many will understand and recognize in themselves, and we will analyze it, a step-by-step plan on how to get rid of negativity and start trading consistently in profit and earning quite large sums. The very first thing that prevents many traders from earning is the demo account. If your account has a relatively small amount, let's say up to $2,000, and you're afraid to trade with it, you switch to a demo account. Yes, a demo account is a demo version of how our platform is set up, how our exchange is structured. But very often the quotes on demo accounts differ. Moreover, even on quite large platforms, the quotes on your real account and the demo version will still differ. What does this mean? For example, let's consider a situation. You open a trade to go down. Let's not even put it that way. Let's take a clean chart. Here is your opening point. Accordingly, you should open a trade to go down, and your trade should close here. Accordingly, you will be in profit, as it happens on a demo account. Here, your first candle opens. It goes not in your direction. The next candle again goes somewhere upwards. And then literally at the last moment, your candle flies and closes somewhere here. Literally at -1 or -2 points in your favor. And the next candle then goes down, which happens on a real account. You experience almost precisely the exact same situation. In this particular scenario, only you won't have that candle which closes your trade in profit. As before, it will close at -1 point higher, and then your next candle will open again and fly downwards. That is, your difference will be in fractions of points, but they greatly affect your earnings. If you notice that you are trading on a demo account and constantly trades close at +1, +2 points in your favor, then on a real account these same trades will close at a loss. Keep that in mind. And the second factor is that you get used to the money. If you have a very small amount on your real account and you are trading on a demo account, even with 20,000, you can open a trade and you won't feel any profit or loss. You opened a trade and where it closed, and for what amount doesn't matter to you anymore. You're not risking anything, you're just trading with imaginary money. It's like playing on a mobile phone. If you have some balance in the game, you can convert it into real money. It's the same here. I just lost $40,000 on a demo account, but I didn't even feel it. If I had lost just $20 on a real account, I would have felt it. But on a demo account, I don't care. It's just pretend money there. Therefore, considering your trades, the next point is the fear of trading on your own. That's why we created our bot with the team, which helps you earn and assists you in trading. This bot is available to you right now via the link in the description. You just need to activate it and start working with it. You could say it's your assistant in the world of trading. Let's take a look at it in action. For this, I need to choose a currency pair that I like. Let's say it will be euro, dollar. Next, I go to the bot booster, select the same currency pair, and choose the time that is currently set on the platform. This is 1 minute accordingly. I will open the trade for 1 minute, select 1 minute for the trade, and wait for the signal. I receive a sell signal, and right from here, on the rebound from this level, I enter a sell trade. As you can see, the fear of trading on your own is very calmly addressed by the trading bot. In essence, you trust it with your analysis, but you can quickly stop worrying. The bot closes more than 80% of trades positively, even if you are a beginner and have no experience in opening trades. The second option is you can write to our personal managers. Yes, we have a team of professional traders who help people. The number of spots is limited, so write to the support account right now. State that you want to get a personal manager, and then, if you're lucky, one of the available managers will respond to you. And you will be able to trade with them under personal mentorship. This is way cooler than just trading with a bot. Although the bot delivers very good results, and the next step is the fear of making trades with large amounts. Yes, if you work with the bot, you will gradually eliminate the fear of opening trades. You will easily be able to read the chart and earn money. But if, for example, you have $7,000 in your balance, let's analyze the situation. If you open trades for $70, you won't feel either the income or the loss. For example, I'll open a trade for $70 right now. Will I feel anything significant with such a balance? No, that's why you need to open trades for at least 5%. Then you will be able to earn properly and truly feel whether your balance is growing, or conversely, if you're doing something wrong and your balance is decreasing. If you trade with just 1%, you'll never earn anything. Just look at the chart. For example, a trade for $5. Does my chart change at all? No. Even if I place $5,000 on a trade, nothing changes for me. Accordingly, these are all psychological barriers that prevent you from earning. So increase your trade percentages. I advise you not to take too much risk initially, between 5 to 10%. In this way, once you establish your statistics, you can increase your risks and earn even more. This is only cured by practice. Therefore, open more trades with the booster bot, and then you can increase your balance and the amount per trade. Many traders make mistakes and give up halfway. For example, your statistics are currently at 50%, and at this moment you say that this is not for you and you won't continue. But if you don't give up, and for instance, let's take a person whose statistics are 50% positive trades, who gave up. And for example, his statistics were approximately like this, meaning he opened only 4 trades, and thinks that this is not for him, but he gave up here. And then, for instance, he was expecting 4 consecutive profitable trades. Accordingly, here the statistics are already around 80% positive trades. A person who didn't give up at 50% will continue to build up their statistics. If you understand that your statistics are already more than 50%, then you can confidently improve this result. If your strategy or your work with the bot yields more than 70% positive trades, then you can forget what a regular job is and start taking full risks. So just try again. There are days when you completely mismanage your trades or the market is not in the mood. Then it's better to step away and return the next day. This happens in trading, and even the booster bot makes mistakes. For example, today it closed not 80% positive trades, but only 70. Yes, it's not a huge difference, but it significantly affects large sums, so on such days, it's better not to trade. But the most important thing is, if you want to earn money, practice, and practice again. The next point is self-analysis. Let's break it down in practice. Here I am setting up a situation like a beginner. For example, I want to open a trade for $400. That's 5.5%, okay? I want to open a trade for 1 minute. Accordingly, I need to find a currency pair that will have movement. But if I'm a beginner, if I don't know such nuances, then I will choose this currency. Let's analyze the euro, Swiss franc. I choose this currency pair and select 1 minute for the trade. I receive a buy signal. Accordingly, I see that the price is not moving and open a buy trade right from here. Let's analyze my mistakes. I didn't use the best entry point. That's the first mistake. The second mistake, I didn't use the best entry point. I didn't use the 5-second candle as I should have. That is, I opened immediately without waiting for a new candle. And the third mistake, the fact that I chose a currency pair that currently has no movement, so no matter how hard the booster bot tries, I made many mistakes that could lead to a loss. If you don't do self-analysis, if you don't think about why your trades are closing at a loss, whether you're working with a booster bot or on your own, you must always learn from your mistakes. If you want to trade for 1 minute, then choose currency pairs that have good movement, like the ones I show. In the example now, the booster bot will still try make the right analysis. That's its job, that's how it's designed, but you can help it and increase your chances. Most likely, this trade will now close in profit. No, literally, as I say this, the trade closes at a very sharp loss. And as you can see, it's all because I made a series of mistakes. If I hadn't made those mistakes, if I had opened immediately on a 5-second candle on another currency pair, it would most likely have been a profit. But since I made as many as 3 mistakes, even the fast bot didn't help me. Therefore, always do self-analysis. And now, let's look at a correct example of a successful trade. I choose the currency pair, British pound, Canadian dollar. There's already good movement here. The currency pair is moving actively, and I can confidently enter for 1 minute, so I will even increase my risks to $600. Now I switch to the booster bot, check the currency pair again, check the time, everything is set correctly. The currency pair has good movement. I select the currency pair in the bot and the time for the trade. I choose 1 minute on the platform. And I receive a sell signal. I wait for a new 5-second candle. This is very important. And right on it, I open my sell trade for 1 minute. Now I've done everything correctly, and ideally, I should experience a very good downward movement. Since we have reached this level, J, which the booster bot identified, this entire level, the price has reached it and should now receive a very sharp impulse downward. And let's observe the now correct trade. I am confident that in this trade, one could have even opened with a larger amount. And as you can see, thanks to the better entry point, thanks to doing everything correctly, I get a profit and earn an additional $500. This was an example of doing it correctly. Now you know how to work with the booster bot and know how to easily earn. I remind you that you can write to our support account right now and request a personal manager. The number is limited. Not all the guys are available right now, but you might get lucky and get one. A free manager. Such an opportunity is not given very often. You can get personal trading and receive many bonuses that you won't find in our open resources. So right now, write to the support account and say what you want to get a personal manager. In general, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. With that, I will say goodbye to you. See you soon.